Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Express middleware. Now it is really easy. I originally was freaking out about it because I didn't understand it, but now that I understand it better, it's very straightforward, very simple, and hopefully I can make it that way for you as well. So Express middleware, right? Basically, what it is it allows you to add on to your app's current functionality, right? So if Express doesn't do anything that, if there's something that Express doesn't do that you want it to do, this is when you would use middleware. Okay, so how you use middleware is you use app.use, okay, right? And what app.use takes is a function, okay? All right, so create an arrow function. And this is Express middleware, right? So they've got their very own middleware, or the app Express has got its very own middleware. Now, to make custom middleware, your very own middleware, you need to add 3 parameters, okay? So that's request, response, and one called next, okay? So just like below, you've got request and response. That is exactly the same. Those objects are exactly the same as the ones up here, right? So request is the incoming request object. Response is the what you're sending back as a response. Okay. Now next, what next does is it's really easy. Um, what it does is it just literally goes on to the next function or the next method or whatever, right? The next thing in line after it, okay? So the way this would work, when somebody's made a request, say for your homepage, right? Say they've made a request to the route, okay? It would run through this first, okay? So anything you put in here, so say you want to do console.log hello, right? Something silly, something simple like that, right? Then we'll start the server. Node mon server.js. Okay. Now, if we go to Firefox, and then we'll open up our little app, right? Localhost and port 3000. And you see we've got our page, right? But if we go back here, you'll see at the bottom there it said hello, but it says hello twice there because when we started NodeMon, it looked through the app, it hit app.use, said hello, right? But when we requested a page, it runs through the app again and says hello, okay? So we could do anything here. We could look at what's coming in the request. Okay, so we could look at some of the request parameters, right? The request object properties, right? So we could see what is the request method that came in. So we could store that in a variable, okay? So we'll say let method equals rec.method, right? And say we wanted to log to the screen what URL they're trying to access, okay? So we'll say let URL equals rec.url, right? And then we want to log it out, so console.log, you've accessed so this will be URL. If you don't know what this is template strings I'm using here. Okay, so you can check that out. They're very handy. You've accessed URL via a method. Okay, so we'll try that. If we go back to here, and then we can go to About. Right, so we go to the About page, then we'll open the Visual Studio Code back up, and you'll see down at the bottom here, you've accessed /about, which is the URL, via a get method. Okay? Right, so it's really easy to use Express middleware. That's all there is to it, right? You've got app.use, and inside app.use, you can make your own custom middleware. For that, you just need to pass in a function with these three parameters: request, response, next, and you can do anything you want in here, basically. Okay, so I hope that's helped out. I hope that's clarified things for you a little bit, and that's me finished. Over and out. Bye.